No, sir. You are
Good
visible.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. You are audible and
Sir, am
visible.
I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible and visible. Hello.
Uh, sir.
సార్ కృష్ణ గారు కృష్ణారావు గారు హలో హలో
hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. 10 కల్లా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం సార్. షార్ప్ గా పిల్లలు ఇంకా జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు.
Sir, I
అంటే
think
ఇప్పుడు
I think
సార్
there is some problem with my internet, sir. I will just change my position and I will do this once again, sir. Just give me a few
ఓకే
seconds,
సార్.
minutes of time.
అదే ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది.
Sir, please check now once, sir.
Yes, sir. It is audible and visible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sai, you can start.
హలో హలో
Hey,
సార్ వినపడుతుందా సార్?
Okay, sir. Viనిపిస్తుంది, sir.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్.
start
Okay,
చేసేసాయి.
sir. Thank you.
Myself, I am Sai Srinivas, HOD of CSC Data Science Department. Today is the first day of 3 days workshop on AWS Service Management organized by CSC Data Science Department from Chalapati Institute of Technology. It gives a immense pleasure to introduce and welcome today's resource person, Mr. Krishna Rao Garu. He is currently working as assistant professor in the IT department of Bapatla Engineering College. He has received BTech degree from NIET affiliated with JNTU, Hyderabad in 2006. He received MTech degree from Bapatla Engineering College affiliated with Acharya Nagarjuna University in 2009. He is pursuing PhD from SRM. Sonepata, Haryana. He is doing research in medical image processing and its management with the cloud platforms under the supervision of Dr. Ajay Kaushik. He has published a couple of research papers in indexed journals. He has been a reviewer of several indexed journals. He has membership in several professional bodies. And I am welcome to again Krishna Rao Garu and take over the today's session. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, hello.
ఆయన మ్యూట్ కాలేదు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయలేదు
No, sir, you can unmute and start the session, sir.
Oh, sir. Okay, good morning, all of you. Okay, sir. Shall I start, sir?
Please start, sir. Start, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, in today's session, let me try to introduce you a little bit about usage of AWS services. I hope my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yes. So let me introduce a couple of services which are available in AWS, and we can use them. How to use them? How to use them in regular practice? So let me introduce first what is this cloud computing. So you might have worked with relational databases, maybe SQL. So there, when you want to work with the relational databases or maybe some web servers, Windows servers, they might be very costly. So instead of purchasing very costly equipment, setting up the lab, we can make use of the virtual, all of them in the virtual cloud platforms like Azure, AWS. Likewise, there are so many cloud platforms where you can use various services instead of purchasing hardware equipment or software, so many other softwares. So here, this is actually, so let me first give some introduction. So this cloud is available in the form of so mainly cloud is available in the form of these services: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. So what is software as a service? So in software as a service, end user application is delivered as a service. I mean to say, for example, you might have suppose you want to work with some text. you might be making use of maybe Word document, something. So when you want to work with when you want to do some project documentation, or when you want to do work with some text, so you will be making use of maybe Notepad, Word, etc., etc. So there you need to install the MS Office like tools. So instead of installing them, so you can make use of the online. You might have used so many online tools. So these are available in your physical computer. So instead of that, you might have used sometimes. So in the cloud platforms, you can make use of maybe Google Docs, or there are some other services which are provided by Microsoft. So in the same way, you might have used the storage also. So coming to the storage, you might have used so many other services. So instead of using your physical memory, so physical memory in the sense, regularly you might be making use of the memory available in the computer, just which is there in the hard disk. So instead of this, you might have used the other services like so Google Drive, OneDrive, something like this. So all these are variety of cloud services. You are already using them, which are available from the Google. In the same way, so AWS, so in the same manner, AWS, Amazon Web Services, it is providing so many web services. So here the services are available in the form of three. So those three are, so these are the three major services, major types of services available: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. So software as a service, an example, just we have mentioned like Google Doc, or so Google Doc. So and platform as a service. So platform as a I mean to say, when you click on this start button, you are able to see here several applications. So all these are varieties of applications that were installed in my computer. I can make use of them after installation. So these are the variety of tools which are available in the computer, which are already installed. So without installing these applications, when you make them available through online, so they comes under this first category, software as a service. We make a software available through online, so whatever it may be. And next one is platform as a service. So platform as a service, so platform as a service in the sense, here we make the operating system and some other related to this available through online. So we make the applications available through online. So that kind of service is said to be software as a service. And platform as a service means we provide operating system. Maybe the IDEs you may use. So you might be working with Eclipse, Visual Studio, etc., etc., while application development. So we can make them available for user. So this is platform as a service. And next one is infrastructure as a service. So the name itself is conveying infrastructure. So means we make so many means hardware related services available So hardware related services available in the sense, for example, when you want so to avail any of these services, first of all, so here so to avail any of the AWS services, you should first get into this website aws.msn.com. So you should be having an account. So with this account only, you are able to avail all this. So to the account, you should. So here you can create with the help of. So you can create an account. So you should first create the account. So to create the account, you need to click on this one. Uh, Screen Okay, to work with any AWS services, at first you need to log in into this. You need to create an account. So to create the account, you need to click on this create a new AWS account. Then it will ask you for your details. So it will ask you for your email address, account name, and then it will be asking you for your bank details. So depending upon the usage, it will charge. And here maybe you need to provide all these details. Let me give. So let me give a name. So in this way you can create so you can create the account with the help of this option. Okay, with the help of this, you can create an account. And here, so I have already created an account. Let me show that with the help of. So you can create by means of clicking on this button. So with the help of this, so after logging into aws.com, so when you click on this, so with the help of that, you are able to create the user account by means of using this one. And right now, let me log in with the help of my account. So it will ask you for so this is my AWS dashboard. So here you are able to see in the top right corner the account related details. In the top right corner, you are able to see the account related details, the name of the account, the region you can set here. So we need to set our region as Asia Pacific Mumbai, AB South 1. Remember this one. I mean, depending upon the region where you're staying, you can set these options. So our region is this one, Asia Pacific Mumbai, AP South 1. So you set this one. And here you are able to see the account related details. Here some of the services are available for free, and we mainly make use of the free services. Maybe sometimes we might be in the need of making a payment, maybe while developing a large scale applications. So here when you look at this one, just beside the AWS logo, you are able to see here a 3x3 dot matrix. When you click on this, you are able to see the variety of the services available here. So when you click on all services, you are able to see this one. So what are all the different services in the name of A, B? So likewise, you are able to see here all the varieties of services. So when you want to create a computer virtually, then we depend upon this service compute. So when you want to create a computer virtually, then you will depend upon the service called compute. So here a service available here called EC2. So this is the one which we can use. So EC2 in the sense, so this is one of the service. So elastic compute. So elasticity means expandable. So depending upon the load, it will adjust. Okay, anyhow, when you want to create a computer virtually, you make a computer. So when you want to create the computer virtually, you depend upon a service called a variety of service called computer. So there we are having a service whose name is EC2. So we can create an EC2 service, and with the help of this, you can create a virtual computer, and you can place your files there. You can make use of the virtual computer depending upon your requirement. Okay, let me show you how to create the EC2 instance. So to create the EC2 instance, so EC2 is one which you can use for creating the virtual computer. So here you can see in the, when you click on this, you're able to see all the services, or you can search for a service here. So we are having a service called EC2. So you simply click on, you simply search here with the help of the keywords. So EC2 is the one using which you can create a virtual computer. Remember this. So now you are able to see after search like this. So you can click on this EC2. So now you are able to see something like this. So resources, how many instances are running, likewise key pairs. So key pair is the one which we use for connecting to the EC2 instance. So to create the EC2 instance, you need to click on the EC2 or virtual computer. When you want to create a virtual computer, you click on this launch instance button. So to create the EC2, so you click on this launch instance button, then it will ask you for so many other details. So what could be the name of the EC2 instance? So let me set the name of this as, so I'm setting, so this is the, so when you click on the launch instance, it will show you something like this. So now I'm giving here a name, let it be some trial 4. And then what is the operating system you want to have in your virtual computer? So it is the next option. So here you look at this one. So you look at this one. While creating the EC2 instance, so you need to look for all these options. So which of them are freely available, and so maybe in most of the cases we try to create the services which are freely available. So when you look at this one here, you have the option under the Amazon machine image, means virtual computer. So when you expand this, you're able to see here some configurations. So here you can see at the end free tier eligible, means in the, I mean, it doesn't, you need not pay anything for creating this kind of computers. So I'm selecting this one, Amazon Linux 2023. So just like this, you can also create a variety of a computer having a variety of operating systems like this. So a computer having Ubuntu operating system, Windows operating system, Red Hat, so etc. etc. So here now I am creating a computer with the Amazon Linux operating system. If you want, you can create this and you check whether it is free tier eligible or not. Suppose I have clicked on this one. So it is also, you can see here, the name of the server you are creating. And here, is it free tier eligible or not? So when you see here free tier eligible means you need not make any payment. So let me create this Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. So I'm creating a computer which is holding this operating system, and I'm making it as 64-bit, and then it is next year it is with the hardware configuration. So how much RAM you want, all these hardware configurations you can set here. So here also there are some configurations which are not which are not available in the free tier. So you choose one which is available in the free tier. So then it will ask you for key pair. So this key pair is the one which we use to connect with the virtual computer. So when you click on this launch instance, it will ask you first for the name of the EC2, and then it will ask you for the operating system you want, and then it will ask you for key pair. So what is your key pair file? So with the help of this key pair file, we actually connect with the instance now we create here. So you can also proceed without creating any key pair instance. So when you click on this, you are able to see here an option, proceed without a key pair. So you can also do like this. So instead of creating any, so here it is also here itself, this also involves the creation of the security group. So by default, it is creating. So it is associating a security group with the EC2 instance. So by default, it is allowing security group in the sense maybe a firewall. So we are attaching a firewall with the computer we are about to create. So here it is right now allowing only SSH. I mean, it is allowing only. So it is like a firewall. So you don't do anything over here. So you simply go to the bottom, and here how much memory you want. So how much memory you want here, that you can set here. So by default it is some 8. So and finally click on this launch instance button. Now it will create. So now it will create an instance for you. So after successful completion of the EC2 instance, it will show you a message like this. So just now we have created the virtual computer. So we have searched here for, in the AWS search bar, we have searched for EC2. So then we have clicked on this launch instance button. Then it has asked me for all these details. We have mentioned there the name of the EC2 instance. So EC2 is mainly for creating the virtual computer. So you can create a computer virtually. You can create a computer or server with the help of the EC2 instance. While creating, it will ask you for the name, operating system. So here I have taken the Amazon Linux 2023. You can also take here Ubuntu or Windows operating system, Red Hat, depending upon your requirement. And then it will ask you for what about the key pair. So the key pair file is the one which we use to connect with the AWS instance. Here I have proceeded without creating any key pair. And finally, it has asked me whether you want to create any security group. So I haven't changed anything. I have so by default it is having the option create security group. So with the help of all this, finally we have created a virtual computer, and then you are able to see in the dashboard of this EC2 all the virtual instances created. So you can see the in the dashboard you can see. So when you click on this EC2 dashboard, so when you click on this EC2 dashboard, you are able to see here. So now you can see here instances running. So just now we have created an EC2 instance. So now you can see here just beside this instances one. So when you click on these instances, it will show you the instance we have created, EC2 we have created. So we have made the name of these instance as trial 4, and this is the region and some other settings related to this one. So this is the one we have created here. So when you click on an instance name, you are able to see here its properties. So when you click on an instance, so you look at this one. When you click on an instance, you are able to see its properties just below this. So what is the ID of the instance created? What is its IP address? So this is the IP address of the EC2 instance or virtual server we have created. So what is its? So here we can see all these variety of parameters here. So name of the operating system it is holding Amazon Linux 2023. So this belongs to Linux or Unix operating system. So you can see all these properties. So just now we have created an EC2 instance, and the next step over here is, so in the dashboard you are able to see the instances we have created. So when you click on the instance, you are able to see its properties. And the next thing I want to introduce you here is how to host a website using this EC2. So host website using EC2. So now the basic thing over here is, first of all, you fix the website so fix a website you want to host with the help of this EC2. So to host this, we need a web server. So to host this in the EC2, we need a web server. So we need to install the web server. So these are the different steps we need to do while hosting the website. First, you fix some website that you want to host with the help of this EC2. Then you then you might be making use of, in general, a web server to host this website. And then you need all the files related to this website. So you create a directory and bring all the files related to website to here. So you keep all the files related to this website in this directory, and then we bring them to some directory where we need to place these. So these are all, we need to start this web server, we need to install the web server, we need to start the we need to install the web server, we need to start the web server, and finally with the help of the IP address of the EC2 instance created, we browse the website. So this is the first basic thing. So we have just now created an EC2 instance, means a virtual server. So in this now we will be, you can place your website in this EC2 and you can make them available to everyone. So the thing you need to do here is you need to install in the EC2 a web server. So maybe Apache web server. Then you need to bring all your files to here, and then with the help of the IP address we browse the website. So these are the steps here. Now let me do all these things. Okay, so this is the instance, EC2 instance we have created here. So when you click on this, you are able to see all its properties. This is the IP address of my virtual computer created. Now, so when you click on this, just above it, you are able to see all these options. So when you want to terminate the instance, so after creating the instance, you maybe you close it. Otherwise, they will charge based on the time up to which you have placed it in the AWS. So when you want to terminate the virtual computer you have created, you click on this instance state. Then you are able to see here terminate instance. So with the help of this, you can terminate the instance created. Okay. Now my requirement is, now I want to host a website with the help of this EC2 instance. So for that, first you click on this, the EC2 instance you have created. Then you click on this. So after clicking them, only these get highlighted. So you look at this connect. So this is right now not highlighted. So when you click on this EC2 instance, now this get highlighted. When you click on this connect, so it will be asking you for this connect using EC2 instance connect or connect using. So these are all the several options it will be showing to you. So you make use of, you don't do anything here. So now I want to do connect to trial 4, and by default it is having the option connect using EC2 instance connect. So you don't do anything here. And if you want, you can change the EC2 user here, the user. Let me change it to some. So you give here some username, and finally you click on this connect. Now this will let you connect with the EC2 instance. Just a minute. So now we have connected. After connection, successful connection with the EC2 instance, we are able to see like this. So this is my Amazon Linux 2023 instance. And here now my requirement is, so we will be making use of a couple of commands here. So we are making ourselves as an administrator. So we made ourselves as an administrator with the help of this command. So if possible, you make a note of these commands. They might be very useful to you. So here we made our self as administrator, and then we are updating the computer we have created. So we are trying to update our computer, whether there are any updates pending with the help of this command. And afterwards, just now I have mentioned that we need a web server to host the website. So to install the web server, we are using this command. So HTTPD. So this is the Apache web server. So with the help of this command, we are installing the HTTP. We are installing the web server. You look at this one. So just now I have mentioned that we need a web server. So to install the web server, we are using this one. So with the help of this command, we are now installing the web server. So let me check what is this. Let me show you what is this HTTPD. So you can search for what is this HTTPD. So you can see here HTTPD. So it is the Apache web server. Okay, now with the help of this command, we are installing this web server. We are required. So now this is the command using which we are installing the web server in our computer. So now it has installed the. So with the help of this command, I have installed the web server in this EC2 or virtual computer. Yum install -y HTTPD. So HTTPD is the web server, Apache web server, and I have installed with the help of this yum command this Apache web server, and now I have installed this Apache web server. Now you can check the status of this Apache web server, whether it is started or what is its status with the help of this command. So you can check the status of the. So how to check the status of the web server we have created? So here you can make use of this command. So with the help of this command, you can check the status of the HTTPD we have installed, the web server we have installed. Systemctl status HTTPD. So with the help of this, we are able to see the status of the Apache web server we have created. Now, if you look at this one, you can see here the status of this one. Right now, it is disabled. Okay. Then we need to start this server later. So we will start this server later. Right now, we did install the web server into our computer, and right now we have checked the status of this one. Right now it is in disabled state, and now you need to make this active. So before that, so right now we are doing this step. So we have installed the web server right now, and we have checked the status of the Apache web server. And the next thing we have to do here is we have to find out. I mean, we need to get some website. We need to have some website that is to be hosted by my EC2 web server. Okay, you need to get all the files related to that website. Okay, let me show you a sample website. So let us have first a sample website. So this is the site I am using here, https www.free-sscss.com. So you first decide the website you want to host here. So I have brought to here, I have depended upon this www.freecss.com website. So from here I am getting now a website, and I will host that in my EC2 web server. So these are all the varieties of templates which are freely available here. Okay, right now I am selecting this one. Okay, now look at this one. So this is the free site which is available in this freecss.com. So in the freecss.com, we are having several templates. I have chosen this one. So these are all the several templates which are available here. I have chosen this one. So when you click on this, it will show you the options. So I am taking a particular template from some freecss.com website. So when you click on this, it will show you like this. So live demo and download. So let me show you this live demo. So our website will look like this. So this could be our website. So our website will look like this. Now I am trying to host this website. So now I am bringing all the files related to this one into my EC2. So here you can see the option download. So you right click on this download, and you can select here copy link. So you click on this copy link. Now go to your EC2 instance, and here what we should do here is, so first create a temporary directory and bring all the files related to this one into this directory. So you look at these commands. At first you create a temporary directory and bring all the files into this one. Okay. So at first you create a temporary directory with the help of this one. Okay, now I am changing to this temporary directory. Okay, now you can look at this one. So with the help of this mkdir temp, I have created the temporary directory, and with the help of the cd temp, I have shifted to this directory, and then I need to bring the temporary files to here. So to bring the temporary files to here, we make use of the wget. So in the website we have, so this is the website actually we want to bring to here. So you click on, you right click on this one and select copy link. Then go to this one with the help of the wget. So now you paste the link here. So paste as plain text. So when you click on enter, it will now show you. So with the help of the so you look at this one. With the help of the wget space some URL, so where our website is there. So you look at this one. So this is the command we have used here, wget. So with the help of this, we are getting the files related to this website. So our website is this one, Oxer. So we are getting the zip file of this website into this temporary directory we have created. And you can see what is there inside this with the help of the command ls space -lrd. Okay, you need to I mean, just now we have downloaded the zip file, and after downloading the zip file, you need to unzip this. So to unzip this, we can make use of this one, unzip oxer.zip. Now you can click on this one. Now you can see all the files that you have obtained from this one. Now you can make use of this command. Okay, so you can go to this. So you change to this directory, and now you can see the different files here. So these are all the different files which are available. So total 80 files are there in this. So now I have brought all the files related to this uh, Oxer website into this one. Let me give you a summary what I have done till now. So right now I am bringing the website related files. So website related files I am bringing to. So with the help of the wget, I have brought the website related zip file I have given here, and here what I have done here is what I did here is at first I have created a temporary directory. So then I have shifted to the temporary directory, and then I have brought all the files related to this website into this temporary directory. And then so here the website I have chosen here is Oxer. So I have downloaded this oxer.zip. So from HTTP, I have brought all the files related to this oxer.zip into this temporary directory. And then, so once you have got all these files related to this one, you can make use of the unzip space filename.zip. So with the help of the, now you are having the temp directory, and inside this temp you are having one more directory Oxer, and now you change to this cd Oxer, and inside this now we are able to see the files related to this website. Okay, so now we did all these things just now here. I hope you have understood this one. So here we have downloaded the zip file oxer.zip with the help of the command wget name of the website. So this is the, so you right click on the download option available there, and click on the copy link. So that will give you this one. So with the help of this, now we are bringing all the files related to this website into our temporary directory. And then once you are ready with the zip file, you are making use of this command to unzip the contents of the zip file. And finally we have seen what is there inside this temporary directory with the help of this one, ls space -lrt. And here we are able to see a directory with the name oxer html. So now I have shifted to this one, oxer html. Now with the help of the ls command, once again you are able to see. So ls means list out. So with the help of this, now we are able to see all these things. So the next thing we need to do here is, so we have installed the web server, but we have not started that. So to know the status, to see the status of the web server you have installed, you can make use of this command systemctl status hdvd. Now you can see here it is disabled. Okay. Now you start this web server. So you can start the web server with the help of this command systemctl enable httpd and start httpd. We have to use these two commands. So we have to use these two commands. So at first you enable the Apache web server, and then you start the Apache web server. So it has not given any error, means it has started. Now let me check the status of this once again. You can click on this up arrow to get the previously typed commands. Systemctl status HTTPD. Now let me see what is there. So now you can see here. So you can see here some status related to this one. It was enabled and it was started. So we have used this one. So with the help of this, we have started the web server, Apache web server, and now we are checking the status with the help of this. So earlier it is the status. So it is the status before starting the web server. So now after using the systemctl HTTPD, so this has started the web server. Okay. Now with the help of the IP address, you can browse the website you have. So now we have brought the website related files into the temporary directory, and then I mean there the zip file got downloaded. We have unzipped that zip file, and then we have brought all. I mean we have started the web server with the help of the systemctl start httpd. So with the help of this command, we have started the web server, and finally, so we have started the web server with the help of the command. So this command let us start the HTTPD web server. So and finally, with the help of the IP address, you can browse the website. But here you need to add some. So before browsing this one, you need to add here. You need to we while creating EC2, we have created a security group. Security group in the sense it is like firewall. So there you need to allow HTTP and HTTPS. So you need to allow these two, then only you are able to browse the website. So to allow these two protocols, we need to add some inbound rules to the EC2. Now let me show you how to. So this is how we did all these things here. Now you go to the instances you have created. So when you click on this, you are able to see its properties. So here in the details, we are able to see its IP address. So let me copy this IP address. So I have copied this IP address and you paste this here. So when you click on this, you won't be getting this website as HTTP and HTTPS protocols were not allowed in the security group of EC2 instance created. So you need to allow the HTTPD, HTTP and HTTPS protocols. So to allow the HTTP, so you are not and HTTPS. So you select on the EC2 instance, then you go to this. So when you click on this one, you are able to see in the bottom all these properties. You go to this security, and in the security, you can see the security groups created. You right click on this one and click on this open link in new tab. Now you are able to see security group opened in new one. Now you can see the inbound rules here. So you are able to see here the security group opened in new tab. Now here you are able to see the inbound rules. Okay, you go to this edit inbound rules. So when you click on this edit inbound rules, you are able to see here only TCP was enabled here. So here only TCP was enabled here. We need to enable HTTP and HTTPS also. For this, you click on this add rule. Okay, now you select the protocol you want to allow here. So I want to allow here HTTP and its port number is 80, and you click here. So you select here 0.00 means allow from anywhere. Okay. In the same way, you click on once again add rule. Then you select here HTTPS. Now you click here, you select here one more property, allow. So you click on this edit inbound rules and add these two, HTTP and HTTPS. So by default only TCP was enabled, and now you enable both of these two, HTTP and HTTPS. Now you go to this page where you have posted this, where you have entered the IP address of the virtual computer you have created. So it is actually required to show here the website. Okay, actually we have not done this step actually. Because of this reason it is not showing the website. Just wait. So right now our files are there in temporary folder, but we need to bring them. So we need to bring them into another directory from where the web server fetches the files. Where www.html. So you need to bring all the files which are there here. So to this directory. Just wait, I will show this to you. So actually our files are there in the temporary file. So they are supposed to be in this directory where www.html. So then only you are able to browse the website. Now you refresh this one. So now you are able to see the website which was hosted from the EC2. So you can see here the IP address of the virtual computer we have created. So now we are able to see with the help of this one IP address, the website which was there. So you remember this one. So instead of, bringing the files into temporary directory is not sufficient. So you need to, so initially our files are there in the temporary directory. So you bring the temporary, so initially all our files are there in the temporary directory. So you bring the temporary file directory files to, so this one. So you need to bring them into this directory. Then only these are, so the website files which are there present, which are present in the temporary file, you bring them into this directory. From this location only your Apache web server is able to fetch the files. Hope you have understood this one. So this is how you can you can host the website with the help of the EC2. So in the next session, I will explain you how to host a website using S3 bucket. So let me hand over the session to Hello, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir. Tomorrow at the same time we will meet, sir. 10
Sir,
o'clock. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock we will meet again, sir. Hello, sir.
sir, actually there is some internet problem. Maybe I am not able to hear clearly.
Okay, sir. No problem.
How is
Tomorrow.
it, sir?
Yes, sir. Fine. Good. It is good.
I hope all the audience have understood this one. How to host the website with the help of the EC2.
So all the participants' feedback form is posted in the chat box of Zoom as well as in the YouTube. You can fill it, and after filling it, you can leave the session. Day 2 session will start at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Thank you. All the participants, before leaving, please fill the feedback form. Feedback form is posted in the chat box of the Zoom as well as in the YouTube. Those who have filled the feedback form can leave now. Tomorrow again the same session will continue at 10 a.m. Thank you. Please fill the feedback form before leaving. Those who have filled the feedback form can leave now. Thank you.